What's up guys, this tutorial is on math, specifically addition and weighting, using the weight function. A equals 1, print out A. So I'll say what A is, but what if we want B to equal 5, and C equals A plus B. So let's say you don't know how to add. A equals 1, B equals 5, you want to add them both together, C, and we're going to print out C. What is C? C is A plus B. What is A plus B? What's 5 plus 1? I mean, I'm sure we all know that. And just to show that I can do math, do this. 6, there we go. Now I know what 1 plus 5 is. Okay, you could do that, or you could just do A plus B. Get rid of C. So basically A plus B right here directly. We don't need to use C, but we can. I like to use C. I mean, you don't need to use A plus B. You can use whatever you want to call it, like number 2. I don't know. But, and then put number 2 in there. But, let's see. If I want to do some consecutive math, I don't know, A equals A plus 1. So basically, A equals what it used to be, right here, plus 1. So it'll be 1 plus 1. We know what that is. I'm just going to show you. A equals A plus 1. So that's 2. That works by going down to line 4, because all this stuff is really nothing. Line 5, A equals 1. So A equals 1. Goes down to line 9 and 10. A equals A 1. So A equals 1 plus 1. And then we print out what A equals, because A equals 1 plus 1, so A equals 2. Prints out 2. You can see that down here. Printed out 2. Now we're gonna, let's say, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy pasta. There we go. Now it should print out 2, 3, 4, 5, because scripts can count like that. Some baby steps of scripting. 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Just showing you guys how some of this stuff works by example. Get rid of all this. Let's say, okay, weighting. That's also a function, and I have to explain now. I'll explain how to make functions later, but wait. Anything that is in the parentheses of weight is a function. You call functions with parentheses. Inside the function, or inside the parentheses, we're going to say 1. So what it does is the script will come down here. Ignore all this. I'll leave it there. So it'll come down, it'll do whatever that was, print A plus A, 2, whatever. And then it'll wait 1 second. So the script, when you run it, it'll do all that, print 2, wait 1 second, then do the rest. So let's say we want to print it twice for whatever reason. Or no, let's say done. So it's going to print done after it. It's going to 2 plus 2, print out what it is, or 1 plus 1 equals 2, print that out. Then it's going to wait 1 second, then it's going to print done. Now let's make it 4 seconds, 5 seconds. And you'll see that in output. It'll have a delay of 5 seconds. So it says 2 right there. And then done. Yeah. So wait is really useful. Let's say copy all this. Wait. Let's put A starting number is 0. So A equals 0. A plus A, or A equals A plus 1, so 0 plus 1 equals 1. Then we'll wait 1 second, and I'll do that over and over and over and over again. So it should count 1, 2, 3, 4, waiting after each time it prints out what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. It's counting by seconds. And if the number that goes in the wait is just seconds, so it would wait 345,000 seconds, but I think everyone would have left your game by then. No one ever see what happens next. So it just runs down the script going in order, and when it gets to the bottom, that's it. It's done, and it stops running. I mean, that's just it. It gets there. There's nothing else to do. That's variables and how to add, I guess. Addition. You're welcome. There's also subtraction, which is the same thing, just a plus a minus 1. There's also multiplication, which is using an asterisk, and division, which is fractions. That's, if you don't know fractions, that's pretty bad. And that is about it for this video. You might want to check the description on this video. If I done goofed at all during the video, I will have fixed it and put it in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. If you have any questions, you can leave it in a comment, but I'm more likely to read it if it's in a YouTube message or on Roblox. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys out there.